How to fix add yours not working on Instagram. Hey guys, so first I'm going to show you how this feature looks like. So I'm just going to open up my Instagram app and I have something searched up right here. So you can basically just click on add yours on this part of the screen or wherever this sticker is situated on a story or reel. And you should be able to have the ability to add your media, take a photo, video, and that is how the feature basically works. Now, if that does not work on your side, the first thing that you want to check is to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. So you can just check on the settings right here and check if it is stable. If not, you can also try switching to cellular data and see if that is more stable for you in using that feature. Now, if those options does not work, you can go to your app store and just search for the Instagram app right here. So what we're going to do is to check if our Instagram app is up to date. As you can see, it says update right here. That means that my app is currently outdated. So just tap on the update option so that you will have the latest bug fixes and performance improvements within the app that might solve this problem. You can also try uninstalling the Instagram app and reinstalling it and see if that fixes your problem. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.